Hey guys, this is a video of my Colt mkIV gas blowback pistol. So I just have it in this regular, like $6 hard case. Works fine. Keeps it safe. I bought an extra magazine with the gun, $24. I would highly suggest doing it. With gas blowbacks, you want at least 3 magazines. I still need to get one. So this gun is like a grayish finish. It's kind of like a gray color, and then it has black grips. It actually looks really nice. At least I think it looks really nice. This is basically just like a tactical version of the M1911 I think A1. See, because it has like the same body style, upper receiver style, slide style. It has the front sight is a little bit higher, and the rear sight is fully adjustable. So like on the original like government model, it would just be like a stationary sight right here that's not adjustable, and a lower sight that's attached to the frame. Both sights would be attached to the frame permanently. It has extended. It has extended safeties, ambidextrous. The hammer locks half-cock, nothing works. Working beaver tail. Again, safety. I mean, not safety. Ejection. Magazine. I don't even brain for it, whatever. Put my finger over that'll show you guys. It has really nice sights, for what it is. It's just like a kind of nice sidearm, or if you're doing like a pistol where it actually makes it nice. It's really easy to sight. Again, so it's gas blowback, full metal, so the slide locks back. Some guns, they'll say full metal, and it'll have a metal slide. It'll have like a metal, this piece will be metal, but then like here, through here, and down will be plastic. So you just gotta watch out for stuff like that. Most of the 1911 models that look like this, SIG models, Beretta models, they don't do that, but some 1911 models will have the plastic lower, or like half plastic lower. Again, this gun has, there's almost no airsoft, like writing on the gun. There's the government model, 45 ACP, Colt 1911, Colt mkIV, has a little horse. It also has the Series 80. It has like a serial number right here. It has a little, you won't even be able to see it, WE in the metal right here. And it's so small, I couldn't see it when I first got the gun. I was like, where the hell is the WE symbol? Because they usually put them real big on airsoft guns, and it's not there. This is a red tip that you can take off. You can look up a video. Just put the barrel in like, put something on, bro. Came right off. You put the barrel in like hot water, warm water, and then take a pair of pliers, screw it off. There's just some like glue in it. That's what's holding the red tip in. It should come off. I'm not taking mine off because of warranty wise. Thinking of anything else. I'll do a real shooting of this, like without those weird effects. I was just bored, so I was on my phone doing that. This gun, let me get the box so I can tell you the exact numbers. This is the box the gun came in, just like this. Flips up, you have the inside. So I'm just going to read off the box. It has, they said it's 390 FPS, 55 yards, like the maximum range, power range, 24 rounds in the magazine, 2.40 pounds. The length of the gun is 8.66 inches. I'm not sure if that is with the red tip or without. And it has the adjustable hop up. So let me show you how to take down the gun. You take the gun down like a real 1911. Take out the magazine. Put the slide back to the designated spot. And pop this out. It comes right out. This is a piece of steel. There's no plastic in it. And then slide should just come right off. I'll show you this in a second. So then you have your recoil rod, recoil spring. If you want to short stroke the gun, you just got to put a few O-rings, not O-rings. I don't remember what they're called. You got to put a few of these right there. Just make sure they fit. I short stroked this gun earlier, and I don't like it short stroked, so I took those off. But it worked okay. Here's the piece that goes in here. I don't remember what it's called. Barrel bushing. You turn and it comes off. The barrel bushing won't come off the barrel right now because of the red tip. So when I take the red tip off, if I do, what was that from? Sorry guys, you might not understand what's happening because you might not have seen that, but something just fell off. Okay, I think it was something that must have been inside the gun. Nothing seems to be wrong with it. It's a very sturdy gun. So then this is the slide. You have your gas thing. Here. It's pretty heavy for the size it is. Hefty slide, durable. The lower receiver is actually really heavy. It's just a regular old magazine gun. I mean, it's nothing special about it. It's just durable. Actually, it does have pretty wide hand grips. Just the metal itself, you can see how wide it is. And that's because it's a high kappa. So, double stack magazines just make the grip really wide. So then, to put the gun back together, first use the slide, take the barrel, put the barrel in, barrel bushing slides in like so, and you take recoil rod and recoil spring, put that in. You want to hold these when you're putting it back in the gun, because since they aren't held down securely, they tend to want to come off. So you just hold it there for a second, slide it right on the gun. There you go. Then you put the slide back to the designated spot and pop the slide lock back in. Working gun. Works. This gun hits pretty hard, it kicks pretty bad. You're shooting, you can really kind of feel it kicking up. And the magazines are CO2 powered, so you unscrew this, put it in the back. I have two different kinds of CO2 cartridges. Okay, so one, this is the Cybergun CO2 12 grams they make, and then this is the Crossman. Now if you see the top nozzles, these are exactly, see the top nozzles? This one's a little bit longer. I don't know the diameter, but this one's a little bit longer. With most of my guns, these work a lot better, but for some reason, with this gun, if you put these in it, the magazines will leak. It won't hold the gas. Take it out, put this one in, and it holds it fine. No leaks. I don't know why. I think it might be because of the nozzle is just a weird nozzle. I'm not sure, but I'm just telling you so you don't get a bunch of these and get pissed. Just buy some Crossman ones. There's anything else I need to say about this gun. So this gun is WE. It's not some weird brand. So there are a lot of upgrade parts you can get. You can get hammers, triggers, beaver tail, safety, slide locks, sights, barrels, inner barrels, outer barrels, springs, grips. Actually, I don't know where you can get grips for this gun, because this grip, see this little black piece right here? Should be right there. That's part of the grip. I don't know why they did that. It doesn't seem to affect the gun, but it's part of the grip, so I don't think you can get grips for this gun. You could probably custom make them, but it would be a pain in the ass. So I'm going to do a regular shooting video of this gun sometime soon, without those weird effects. And we'll see how that goes. I'd totally suggest getting this gun. It works really great. It works for what I need it to work for. And it's just a really fun gun to use. It's a really enjoyable shooter. I got this gun at my local gun store for around $120. I don't know if you can find it for cheaper, more expensive, I don't know. But I thought $120 was a fair price. It's a nice looking gun, at least to me. My next gun I'm going to be getting is the 10 Foglio limited custom, or custom limited. Not the race version, not like the one with the compensator and scope mount. It's just going to be the regular, like, stock model with a front sight, a rear sight, no compensator, and because I don't like race guns with like compensators and stuff. I think that looks really ugly. But so I'm going to be getting that gun, and I'll probably do a review of that gun when I get it. I don't know how long it'll be until I get it. I don't think there's anything else I have to say about this gun. It's a great gun, and I suggest getting it. So comment, subscribe. Any questions you have about this gun, just ask me, and I'll give you an answer. So thanks.